Hello everybody! As you understand, today's video will be about my coffee plants that I have grown from a seed. I have shown this process in one of my previous videos, how I grow them from a seed. And as you can see, today they are rather big, good looking, healthy looking, with that beautiful dark green leaves, shiny leaves. So as you can see, they feel so good, so healthy. And today I decided to transplant them to a bigger pots because, as I have been showing you, they are overgrew their own pot, and as you can see here, you can't see, okay, so their roots are growing out of this pot. So it's a high time to transplant coffee plant to a bigger pot, and today we will be transplanting these plants. So if you are interested, please keep watching. So first of all, what I've been doing, I actually prepared two types of pots to my coffee plant. First one are these beautiful colorful pots. They are super comfortable, super convenient, because when you are watering, all the extra water will come in this part. And also they're super comfortable because the plant is growing over here, some additional water or some soil is coming over here, and on the bottom the windowsill is clean because of its extra part of this pot. So these are my first choice for this plant. And also I've got these two pots. They are, as you can see, much bigger than these pots. They are much bigger. So yeah, I will try them to plant in this pot and maybe in these pots. So I will try. Just look at these leaves. Yeah, super beautiful coffee plant grown from my own seed at home. Okay. So first of all, I will take, oh, here our roots are very good to see how they grow from these holes. So first of all, I take my plant, pull it out from its pot, like this. Just look at these roots. Everything is good, everything is healthy, white. So yeah, everything is just great. Then I will take this pot. Yeah, I think this pot will be enough for the first time. So I just take this soil, put it on the bottom, also I will take some more fresh soil. Place my plant one more time and a few more soil, just a little bit, just a little bit. I think it will be enough. Place my plant, yeah, and just add the soil. I prefer doing this with a tablespoon just because this is much convenient for me to add some additional soil without any mess, without creating some additional mess, you know. That's why I'm using tablespoon. Actually, coffee plant is very easy to grow from a seed, and every coffee plant you have grown from the seed will be flowering, will be producing coffee beans in 3 to 5 years. So it can flower on the 3rd year, or it can flower on the 5th year, and then it will produce coffee plants, coffee beans. So if you want to grow your own coffee plant, or if you want to try your own coffee, it's a good choice to grow your own coffee plant. Actually, I'm not saying that I'm drinking all the time my own coffee, that I don't buy any coffee in the store, but from time to time I drink my own coffee. And I have to say that it's rather tasty. It has like more flavor, or so to say, stronger flavor from the store-bought coffee. Actually, I love growing from a seed everything that have seeds. Coffee plants, citrus plants, some other types of plants, fig trees, cherries, and so on and so forth. Mangoes, of course. Yeah, and that's enough, I think. Press everything. So my first coffee plant is ready. Let's move to this guy. So I will repeat the process. Just pull it out of its pot gently, carefully. Yay! Also, the roots are rather good, rather healthy. Yeah. Whoop. So again, take my pot, put my plant to see the measurement. Okay. Add this extra soil on the bottom. A little bit of fresh soil on the bottom. Take my plant, put in the pot. And fill up the pot with the soil. Process of transplanting plants to a bigger pot is just like a meditation for me. I love doing this. You have to do everything very carefully, very slowly, very gently. So yeah, you don't have to, you know, to rush, to hurry up, like quicker, quicker, quicker. So yeah, I like this process actually. I like working with my plants. Transplanting them, watering them, feeding them. Add some soil. By the way, I forgot to tell you that this type of soil is special for plants that love slightly acidic soil, as I've mentioned in one of my previous videos where I'm transplanting my Ethereum plants. Ethereum actually also love slightly acidic soil. Also coffee plants, also rhododendrons and some other plants. So for my coffee plant, I also use this type of soil, slightly acidic soil. You can find it everywhere in your local, maybe in your nurseries or local flower shops. Maybe you can find it easily. Fill everything with the soil. Press the soil slightly. And this is it. My second coffee plant is also transplanted to a bigger and more beautiful pot. Also, as you can see, they start to give the first side branches, side shoots, here, also here, also here, and here. So that means that your coffee plant starts to, how to say, to be a teenager, to mature a little bit, and the more side shoots it will produce, the quicker it will bloom, and the quicker it will give first flowers and first coffee beans. So now my coffee plants looks like this. They have almost 3 years old, two and a half, I don't remember properly, but almost 3 years old. And as you can see, these leaves, these leaves, it means that this coffee was grown from a seed, because these are the first leaves that appears, and then the natural first real leaves starts to grow. But first of all, the plant will give the leaves like this, how to say, baby leaves. So also here it has. So yeah, this is how my coffee plant looks at this moment. I transplanted it to a bigger pot. I add some additional fresh soil. As I said in all of my videos, I never water my plant immediately after transplanting. I water them in 2-3 days. So I will water my plants in 3 days maybe. And yeah, I will keep you in touch with my coffee plants. So every my updates you can see on my Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos about every my plants that I have in my home, in my collection. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed today's video with me, transplanting coffee plants with me. By the way, you often ask whether I can show you my coffee plants, because I filmed a video how I grow coffee from a seed, but I didn't show you an update how my coffee plants looks. So here you have. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be in touch. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.